Hey, Sabron Walker here, CEO of Walker Kreative. Let's be honest. Facebook, Instagram, and all these other social media that we're looking at on these devices, these are a necessary evil in today's business world. While we all might hate it, billions continue to spend hours upon hours on these platforms. Actually, 2.5 hours per day on average. As a business or practice owner, Facebook and Instagram, especially Facebook, have become disliked by many. This is because Facebook is a money-vested machine. The powers that be at Facebook seem to continuously come up with ways to make it more and more difficult for business owners to gain the exposure and interest they were once able to achieve for free. Now, Facebook demands businesses pay ad money to reach any decent-sized audience. However, like it or not, we can't abandon it. Today, Facebook is like its own Google. Many consumers, like billions of them, go to Facebook to determine the validity of a business and get a sense of who the business is and if they want to be a customer based on your posts and your videos. Are you likable? Are you fun? Are you an expert in your field that seems trustworthy? At Walker Kreative, we help mediate the relationship with Facebook. We work around the latest updates and algorithm changes to help your business or practice stand out. Are you having issues with Facebook, or you just want to ignore it? We should talk. Digital marketing is what we do. There should be a button around here to connect with us, somewhere up here above me, or maybe it's below me, depending on what platform you're watching this on. Let's connect. Let's do a 30-minute free consult to see what we can do about your marketing.